Hi, I'm Colin with Thuya Wood Art. Today, I'm going to show you how to install the forged sprung gate latch. First, check to make sure your gate is plumb and that there's approximately 1.5 inches between the gate and post. Then, measure up 36 inches from the bottom of the gate and mark for the top of the latch. Place your latch against the gate stile, then center the handles and mounting holes. Once you're happy with the latch position, mark each hole with a pencil. I like to pre-drill each hole. Then, use 3 or 4-inch screws to mount the latch. Once the latch is securely in place, we can install the catch onto the post. To do this, position the catch just below the split in the latch against the solid bar, and hold tight to the post. Either mark the catch mounting holes with a pencil and pre-drill the holes, or hold in place as I am and screw the catch onto the post. I usually put in 1 screw and test the fit with the latch. If it seems good, I put in the 2nd screw. The latch should hit the catch from either direction and glide along it and into the groove where it should stay firmly shut. To open the gate, push down on the latch handle till it comes away from the catch and will swing open. If your space is too big or just smaller than 1.5 inches, you can rebend the latch slightly at the 2 creased bend points to make it fit better. Sometimes I will also notch the catch into the post to gain a little more space. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you get your new sprung gate latch installed easily.